Hey guys, here is a new fan I got yesterday. This is a Regency Ceiling fan. I don't know what the model name is called though, unfortunately. But yeah, it's really cool. It says Regency. And I got this from my dad's friends yesterday. Came with this long down rod. But he got it off the curb for me, and I'm very thankful for that. So he got off a curb from a house down a house on this road and picked it up for me. This fan has a broken blade, but both of us put JB weld on it because unfortunately he had this back in his Jeep, in the back of it, and whenever he hit the brakes, I guess it may have snapped that, but it's fine. And we fixed it up, and now it works perfectly. Yeah, it's not that bad. I probably could put some brass painter on it, but for now it works fine. I'm very happy with it. Shout out to Uncle Matty for hooking me up with this fan. Thank you very much. But this fan is definitely one of the coolest fans I ever seen before, because this fan basically is everything I like, essentially. It's white and brass. I love white and brass fans. And it has this high gloss marble faux, which is really, really cool. Yeah, I love it very much. And you may think this has a stack motor because it has a rubber flywheel. No, it has a big spinner motor, cast iron spinner motor in there, and then it has this adapter on it, which the motor itself, I believe, can have 4 blades attached. But this adapter is 5 and 6 blades, but this fan only came with 5 blades, so. And I would take this adapter off, but I don't know how for the 4 blades. But for now, it's a 5-blade fan. I like it a lot. Yeah, I have no clue what it's called, unfortunately. It looks like a Gulf Coast Naples, just a renamed Regency. I don't know. But this fan is from December of 1991. So yeah, so it has high gloss marble, the high gloss white up there. Here's the top. And it has this really cool Mexican style pattern on the hang true. That's another interesting thing. This thing has a hang true, which I would think Casablancas would have. Yeah. Has a tag up there. It says the model name, but I forget what it is. But yeah, I'll probably link it and I'll put it in the description below. So yeah. But anyways, turn on the low. And like I said, I'm very happy and thankful for this fan. Oh yeah, and also another thing, this fan, I think he said it was assembled, like just all the blades on and everything like that. But he was afraid if he would go back and get a screwdriver and stuff like that and take it off, it would be gone by then, but it's fine. But yeah, this is really, really awesome. Now this one does hang really, really low, but it's not as low as that Casablanca back there. If you remember that fan from last summer, which is down rod. I still didn't get around to cutting it, but yeah. It's super hot in here. I have all the fans in here on medium as we're running right now. So there's low, on to medium. This fan has bad bearings, but alright. This makes some ticking sounds because of that broken blade bracket, kind of, even though it's not really broken anymore. But as you can see, it wobbles a little bit because of that JB weld. That throws it off balance, but yeah. Starting to blow a lot of air already. Oh, and also I forgot to mention, it has those patterns on the motor housing. I would think it would match the hang true, but I guess not. And the blades are a little saggy. I don't know if you can tell, but they do sag down a little bit. Here's high. This thing performs just like a stack motor, almost. Yeah, it does have that ticking sound. You do have to watch your head with this thing. But yeah, that is a 52-inch Regency ceiling fan. So yeah, that's it. Bye.